Do you want to know how you can delete your Telegram account permanently? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Telegram account. Go to the Telegram, click on the three lines on the left corner, go to Settings and go to Privacy and Security. Now scroll down until you see Delete My Account. There are options to choose from, so if you choose from one and you are inactive for 1 month, your account will be deleted. The next step is to go to Telegram FAQ and scroll down until you see this section where it says delete your Telegram account. Click on it and click on deactivate account. It will lead you to this page where you should now enter your phone number. After you enter your phone number, a code will be sent. Click on next and a code will be sent. After the code comes, click on the code, copy it, paste it here, and then your account will be deleted permanently. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion about how you can delete your Telegram account, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell button for more. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.